Hello design enthusiasts and web developers. Are you ready to redefine the way we craft stunning web layouts? CSS Grid isn't just a layout technique, it's a revolution. Let's discover how this paradigm shift empowers us to create intricate designs with flexibility and simplicity. Let's uncover the fundamentals of CSS Grid. From containers to items, rows to columns, grasp the essential terminology that forms the foundation of this layout powerhouse. Now, let's dive in. We'll start with basic grids and progress to complex layouts. Whether symmetrical or asymmetrical, CSS Grid handles it all. Now, let's refine your layouts with grid lines and tracks, master spacing, alignment, and sizing to turn your designs into pixel-perfect creations. Responsive design is a must. Let's see how CSS Grid effortlessly adapts to screens, providing seamless responsiveness. Control content placement with justify and align properties. Let's achieve the visual balance you envision. Now, let's apply your skills in a hands-on project. We'll craft a stylish card layout with CSS Grid, showcasing its efficiency and flexibility. It's crucial to ensure compatibility and performance. Let's learn strategies for fallbacks and optimizing CSS Grid layouts. Your questions fuel our learning. Let's engage and deepen our understanding of CSS Grid. Dive into the realm of CSS Grid layouts. Gain the tools to design captivating, responsive web pages. Thanks for joining me. Remember, with CSS Grid, your design possibilities are limitless. Happy designing!